I will show you how to store automatic payment in Alipay app. Let me show you how. Open up your Alipay app. Go ahead and click on the profile icon right here. Click on account. Go ahead and click on the setting icon. Proceed to payment settings. Go ahead and proceed to auto renewal password / free payment. All you need is to make sure that you are in auto renewal. With that, auto reduction from payment is going to stop on your Alipay account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.